Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashwat Singh, a student studying in the IB program. And in today's video, I'll be showcasing my Notion setup that I use to manage my YouTube channel. Before I begin, I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you for helping this channel reach 10,000 views. When I started YouTube, I never thought I'd reach such a large number. And the fact that I've built a community on YouTube is something that I'm still in awe of every single day. So I just wanted to thank all of you for the immense support that you've shown to my channel. And here's to the next 10,000. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get back to the video. Okay, so this is my Notion YouTube setup. So at the top is my YouTube banner. In case you want to know with which app I made it using Canva. And after that, I have all the series that are on my channel just listed here just so that I know them. So first, this is a YouTube short. This is a relatively recent thing, and I'm just learning how to do it and learning the entire process of it. So be sure to subscribe for more videos based around that. Then after that, I have my other videos, which is like all my productivity videos that don't fall under one particular classification, but are just there on my channel. And after that, demystifying technology. So demystifying technology is basically the place where I talk about new technology and simplify it and explain it in simple words. In case you want to check out what that playlist is, you can click the link that pops up on the screen right now and go to that playlist. And after that is Notion Masterclass. It's essentially not a masterclass, but it's like my Notion playlist where I basically talk about Notion and talk about features in it that I like and like setups. Like probably this will go on that playlist as well. And after that, I have Motivation Friday. So basically here I just talk about motivational stuff that I've learned recently and make a video based around that. And then, as every setup must have, I have a motivational quote right there. Don't stop until you're proud. It really sticks with me, and I'm never gonna stop it. Then after that, I have my idea box. So my idea box is basically where everything based on a YouTube channel happens. So basically I have my ideas, my cogs turning, scripted, recorded, and completed. So basically the ideas section contains any ideas that I've suddenly got that I want to make a YouTube video on. And I just put them in there so that I just have a place where they're all there. So that I don't need to keep remembering it and I may forget a good idea if that happens. But here I can have everything with me. Then from the idea section, then it moves into the cogs turning section. So cogs turning basically means that I'm starting to think about what are the main pointers that I want to do, that I want to cover in the video, sorry. And then also like about how I'll make the video, then what will the title be, all that kind of stuff. Basically over here, I just write just basically what exactly is the video going to be talking about. Whereas in cogs turning, it starts turning into the title of the video and how it'll be titled basically. So over here, it's basically these 4 videos currently that I'm thinking maybe I want to make one of these kind of videos. Then after that is a scripted section. So the scripted section basically means that if I'm writing some pointers or if I'm writing some like kind of text that I have to speak out, such as for demystifying technology, I often script out the video so that I have a cohesive line of thought. Whereas in like productivity videos or motivational videos, I often have my main pointers there because I want to have a bit more freedom over there to express myself. Then after that, it moves into the recorded section. So this basically means that I've recorded the video, meaning right now it's in there because I'm recording the video. So basically over here, it means that the YouTube video is on my computer and it's ready to be edited as well. Like that means like the thumbnail has been shot and all of that kind of stuff. Then after that is a completed section. This basically means that I've uploaded a video and it's on my channel and it's getting views hopefully. So yeah, so that is basically my entire YouTube arsenal in a sense that I use behind the scenes. Now obviously this is like at a very basic and nascent stage because I'm still working on how to make it better and for myself. And oh yes, before I forget, I also use a template oftentimes when I'm using the setup. It's called YouTube Idea. So here is basically everything that I talked about, such as basically ideas which will be covered, main points and title ideas, and then the introduction, main content, ending. So this is basically how my entire YouTube process starts and how it ends as well. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And once again, before I end this video, thank you so much for 10,000 views. It means the world to me. And thank you for all your support on my channel over the past year that I've been making videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.